Hello grade 6, welcome back to my channel. So it's me, Ma'am Ann. If you are new in my channel, don't forget to like and subscribe and click that notification bell so that you will updated if I have a new uploads video. So again, congratulations grade 6 na nakaisang buwan na tayo. And then okay lang ba kayo sa ating lesson about sa week 1 and 2, sa week 3, kung ano yung pinagdaanan nyo doon, kung mahirap ba, kung hindi, para mag-adjust naman ako sa inyo. So, today, this 2 weeks lesson, grade 6, about the distinguishing characteristic of vertebrates and invertebrates animals. So, when we say distinguishing, kung ano yung comparison o pinagkaiba, kung paano natin malalaman kung ano yung vertebrates at paano din malalaman natin kung ano yung invertebrates. So, proceed na tayo sa our lesson. Okay, so, when we characteristics, yung ano yung mga katangian ng vertebrates and invertebrates. So, I know na anong tawag ito? Bagong term po ito sa inyo, but we have to unlock your vocabs, yung vocabulary niyo sa science, yung sa terminology sa science, yung vertebrates and invertebrates. Malalaman din natin yan mamaya kung ano ang ibig sabihin ng vertebrates at saka invertebrates. So, ano nangyari sa buko? Okay, so, proceed. Different animals share our planet with us. So, alam naman natin na kasama natin dito sa Earth ay mga animals, mga plants, and humans. So, tayo lang po yun. Plants, animals, humans, lahat po yun ay mga living things. So, many are alike and many are different. Ibig sabihin ng alike, pareho, meron din marami ang pagkakaiba. So, scientists, yung mga sobrang genius, mga matatalino about science, tinatawag yan ay scientists. So, scientists classify based on characteristics. There's similarities. Ibig sabihin ng similarities ay pagkakapatulad or pagkakapareho. And these similarities, yung hindi wala ang different siya from other. As you go through this lesson, you should be able to describe the characteristics of vertebrates and invertebrates and practice ways of caring and protecting animals. So, in this 2-week lesson, ang skill natin na i-focus about describing the characteristics, yung ilarawan ang mga katangian ng vertebrates and invertebrates animals, and ipapractice natin kung paano natin sila, yung mga paraan natin at how to care and then how to protect the animals. So, yun po, paano natin sila i-protect, i-care, and everything, and conserve and preserve, mga ganun po. So, matatakan natin yan mamaya. So, as we go on with the topic, please try to scan the following questions so that you will have an idea what the lesson is all about. What is an invertebrate? So, tanong natin yan kung sa sarili natin. Then, mamaya, malalaman natin yung sagot. Unang first question, what is an invertebrate? Next, what is vertebrates? Then, what are the distinguishing characteristics of vertebrates in invertebrates? How do we classify them? Paano natin sila i-classify kung ito yung si vertebrates and si invertebrates? So, give some examples of vertebrates and invertebrates. So, let's find out the distinguishing characteristics of vertebrates and invertebrates. So, in these questions, kung alam nyo na yung sagot, you have to comment your answers. So, what is invertebrates? You have to comment your answer kung ano. And then, vertebrates, you have to comment your answer. What are the distinguishing characteristics of vertebrates and invertebrates? You have to comment your answer again. And then, how do we classify? You have to comment your answer and give some examples of vertebrates and invertebrates. So, you have to comment your answer din. Para masaya. Okay, here. Vertebrates. Alam kong bago sa inyo to. So, okay. Vertebrates, this is animals. Animals to. Yung vertebrates and invertebrates. Animals that have backbones. Take note of this. Kapag ang lahat ng mga animals na merong mga backbones ay tinatawag na vertebrates. Okay, again, what do we call? It's an animals that have backbones. Answer in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Comment your answer in our comment section. So the correct answer is vertebrates. So the vertebrates are classified in 5 classes. Oh my God. Favorite ko talaga to, sarot. Okay. What are the 5 classes of vertebrates? So first, mammals. You have to take note of this kasi yung kapag matawagan. Mammals. Pangalawa, birds. Third, fish. Fourth, reptiles. Fifth, amphibians. Again, what are the 5 classes of vertebrates? In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Comment your answer in the comment section. So, the correct answer, mammals, birds, fish, reptiles, and amphibians. So, yan po yung 5 classes of vertebrates. So, pag-aralan natin ngayon, isa-isa kung ano yung 5 classes na yon. So, first, the mammals. Okay? Most mammals do not lay eggs. So, some of the mammals, hindi siya nangingitlog. Some lang ha, hindi naman lahat. Kasi merong mammals na nangingitlog, meron ding mammals na hindi nangingitlog. Okay, so they give birth to their young. So, pinanganak talaga. Ipapanganak talaga nila. Mostly sa mga mammals ay ipinapanganak. So, they feed their young with milk produced by the mammary glands. Okay, from the word mammals, ibig sabihin, meron silang mammary glands. Ibig sabihin ng mammary glands, siya yung nagproduce ng milk. So, ipasok natin yan sa ating mga utak na yung mammary glands ay nagproduce siya ng milk. So, mag-isip na tayo kung ano yung mga animals na pinapainom ng gatas. So, isa na tayo doon. Okay? So, i-comment nyo yung mga answer nyo kung ano pa yung mga animals na nagdidede pa sa kanilang mga nanay. So, here the examples of mammals found in our community are dogs, cats, carabos, cows, goats, and pigs. So, yun po lahat ay, yung na-mention kong mga animals ay meron niyang mga mammary gland. Ibig sabihin, nagpapadede sila at nagproduce sila ng milk. Yun ang pinapakain nila sa kanilang mga young ones o sa mga offspring o sa mga babies nila kapag maliit pa yung milk. Okay? So, pangalawang class of vertebrates, birds. So, oh my God, hindi ko na masyadong i-explain yung birds kasi alam naman natin, yung pag sinabing may birds, may pakpak, may balahibo, dalawang paa. Alam na natin yun, kung ano yung mga birds, okay? So, birds are covered by the feathers. They lay eggs. Ito yung nangingitlog talaga. Then, birds possess 1 pair of legs and 1 pair of wings. Ibig sabihin ng 1 pair, so dalawa. Dalawang legs, 1 pair of wings, so dalawang wings. So, example of birds are hens, mga manok, hook and all. So, yan. Mga simple lang itong birds. Okay, so the third class of vertebrates, reptiles, have bodies that are covered with scales or plates. Yung may mga kaliskis. Yan po yung reptiles. So, nangingitlog din sila sa lupa. They lay their eggs on land. They can live on land and water. So, crocodiles and turtles are some of examples of the reptiles. Yun, nangingitlog sila. Di ba yung crocodile, turtles, nangingitlog sila ay ahas, mga ganan. So, fourth class of vertebrate amphibians, such as frogs, salamanders, like double life. Ibig sabihin, pwede silang mabubuhay sa tubig, mabubuhay sila sa lupa. Kaya yun ang mga tinatawag na, kung mga animals na yun ay nabubuhay sa lupa at sa tubig, ang tawag sa kanila ay mga amphibians. So, they live part of their lives in the water while they are young. When they're mature, they live on land to survive. So, yung kapag mga hindi pa sila masyadong matanda, doon sila sa tubig, then pagka nakalakihan na, pwede na sila sa lupa. And all amphibians lay eggs on water. For example, frog lay eggs on water which hatch into tadpoles. So, these tadpoles swim around and breathe with gills. So, ito yung gills ay hasang. As they grow older, they change yung mga process nila from stages from eggs, tadpoles, and to the adult. Evolve. Ganon. So, they develop legs and lungs, begin to live on land. So, most fish are covered with scales. Some are egg layers, other leaf bearers. They spend all their lives in water. Fish have gills which are used for breathing. So, ito yung mga isda, yung mga hasang nila, kasi yun ang ginagamit sa paghinga nila doon sa ilalim ng tubig. So, now, invertebrates na tayo. Okay, ito naman ay kabaliktaran ni vertebrates. Yung si vertebrates ay merong backbone, si invertebrates naman ay wala. Okay, so invertebrates are animals that don't have backbone. Ibig sabihin, wala siyang backbone. So, the vertebral column in another name for the backbone, over 90% of all species on Earth are invertebrate. Imagine that. 90% are invertebrates. So, sa napakadami nila. Yung vertebrates is 10% lang of all of the animals in the Earth. Oh my God. So, sila ang pinakamarami. Yung 90% na yan, sobrang dami versus sa 10% of vertebrates. Okay, so now, an invertebrate species have been found in the fossil record as far back as 600 million years ago. So, yung mga scientists natin doon, nag-study sila nito sa mga invertebrate animals. Oh my God, 600 million years ago pa sila. So, the molecular biology studies suggest that all invertebrates evolved from a single invertebrate group. So, yun, yung mga evolution, mutation ng lahat ng invertebrates, dito po, lahat po may stages, every 1 million years, nag-evolve siya into another animals, ganun po. So, may video din tayo niyan, may ilagay ko rin yung link niyan, pag hindi ko makalimutan yung evolution ng mga animals. Sobrang nakaka-amaze. Okay, so, next, characteristics of invertebrates. Ito na yung katangian ng invertebrates. In addition to not having a backbone, so wala talaga silang backbone, invertebrates have soft bodies. Malambot ang kanilang katawan kasi wala nga silang buto. So, because they don't have an internal skeleton or endoskeleton for support, instead, they have a structure on the outside. So, ito na yung sinasabi na wala silang buto, pero ang kadalasan sa kanila ay yung nasa labas ang kanilang structures, yung pang support sa kanilang body. Unlike sa tao na yung buto natin is nasa loob, or when we say endoskeleton, sa invertebrates naman is exoskeleton. So that provides support and protection. In addition, invertebrates are cold-blooded, meaning they can regulate their body temperature, so it changes depending on the environment. So madali lang silang mag-adapt ng body temperature nila sa environment. Unlike sa human, sa ibang other animals na mga warm-blooded, kapag sobrang lamig, giniginaw tayo, hindi tayo maka-adapt, then yun ang katangian ng invertebrates, na cold-blooded sila na hindi masyado silang okay? So, types of invertebrates. Okay, same sa vertebrates, meron siyang 5 classes. Again, what are those 5 classes? The mammals, birds, fish, amphibians, and reptiles. So, sa invertebrates naman, meron din siyang itong number 1, protozoans, number 2, annelids, number 3, echinoderms, number 4, mollusks, number 5, arthropods. Konti lang siya dito, pero kapag nasa college ka na, kung ang major mo ay biology, a doctor, very complicated yung sobrang dami ng types of invertebrates, yung mga animal kingdom, mga ganon. So, ito ay konti lang yung kinuha na types of invertebrates kasi ito yung common. Okay? Protozoans, single-celled organisms such as amoebas and paramecia. Amoebas, hindi natin makikita through our naked eye. So, we need the microscope para maano na. Amoebas is siya din yung kapag nainom natin yan, sasakit yung tiyan. Kapag mga contaminated na liquid, food, and everything, sasakit ang tiyan natin yan. Kasi hindi siya nakakabuti. Annelids, earthworm, leeches. Yan yung mga examples. And echinoderms, starfish, sea urchins, sea cucumbers. May cucumbers hindi. Marami din yan sa marine organism. Mollusks, snails, octopus, squid, snails, clams. Arthropods, insects, spiders, crustaceans such as shrimps, crabs, and lobster. So, i-include ko rin yung mga links na mga animation and mga ibang magagandang videos about this. Ilalagay ko sa description para if you have time, you have to click that link para mapanood nyo rin yung mga iba't ibang invertebrates. Okay? Excuse me. Okay, now we're learning task 1. Choose the correct answer. Write your answer in your answer sheet. So, you have to read this and you have to answer. Okay? So, very common assessment. A, B, C, D lang. Okay? Then, learning task 2. Fill in the table using the list of animal below. So, you have to copy this table in your answer sheet. Then, you have to select your answer. And then you have to classify whether it is with backbone or vertebrates, without backbone or the invertebrates. Okay, madali na lang to, okay? So, what is your basis for grouping in these two? So, ano daw ang basihan mo nung group mo na siya? So, simple. Yung may backbone, yung walang backbone. Yun lang. So, in our learning task 3, put a letter V if the animal is vertebrate and I if the invertebrates. Write your answer in your answer sheet. So, take note na lang na ito yung si fish ay number 1, number 2 si hydra or jellyfish, number 3 si hen, number 4 si earthworm, number 5 si snake. So, you have to answer na lang. You don't have to draw na, okay? You have to write na lang in your activity and your answer sheet na ito yung number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4, number 5. So, V and I lang ang dapat isagot. Okay, now we're learning task 4. Identify the animal described below. Choose your answer from the box below. So, do this in your answer sheet. Okay, ito yung mga sagot. And then, you have to match the characteristics. And then, ito yung mga sagot. Basta kung ano yung na-match na ano, based in our previous na lesson na tackle natin kanina, madali na lang to. Okay? Okay, so in letter A, draw two animals familiar to you. List their distinguishing characteristics. So, kumuha kayo ng long band paper, naka-landscape. Then, hatiin mo siya. Then, mag-drawing ka ng familiar na mga animals. Then, isulat mo. For example, nag-draw ka na ng dog. Isulat mo lahat ng mga characteristics ng dog. Then, mag-drawing ka rin ng frog. Then, isulat mo rin lahat ng mga characteristics ng frog. Okay? So, that's it. Konti lang pala yung week 4 and 5 natin. So, grade 6, if you have any question, comment, suggestion, recommendation, don't forget to comment and thank you for watching. And again, thank you for everything. Okay, so good luck and God bless and mabuhay.